How to share sound on Zoom. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your Zoom application and let's go ahead and get ourselves into a meeting. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and create a new meeting. Let's block these two, click on start. Now, when you're inside a meeting with some group of people and if you would like to, share the sound, here is how you can do it. First thing first, you have to, click on this share button in order to share your screen. Click onto it, and then you will see all the application windows here. If you would like to share the entire screen, you may go ahead and click onto it, and under options, just check on share sound. Once done, click on share. And just like so guys, this is how you can do it. If you would like to hide these, you can go ahead and click on this more button. Click on hide floating meeting controls. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.